Hello students, welcome for the another video lecture based on the unit number 6. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about the expectation, variance and theorem of the total probability. So expectation, to calculate the expectation, the formula is E by x, that is the variable, summation of x multiplied by probability of x. So the question is obtain the expectation of a random variable x, that values are given here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the probability distribution. So P by X is also given uh, in the following table. We have to just find out the multiplication of X and probability of X. So 0 multiplied by 0.1, it is 0. 1 multiplied by 0.2, so this is 0.2. 2 multiplied by 0.2, so this comes out to be 0.4. 3 multiplied by 0.3, so this comes out to be 0.9. And 4 multiplied by 0.8, so this comes out to be zero point 0.8. We have to add all these values for calculation of summation x px. So this value comes out to be 2.3. Then so this value e of x is equal to how much? So this becomes 2.3. Okay, so to calculate the expectations for a given value of x, we have to just find out the addition of the summation of x px. Okay, so this is the formula for calculation of the expectation. To calculate the variance for a variable, so we have to calculate the expectation ex, so that we have already calculated, that is the summation of x px. And then we have to find out ex square, so that is equal to x summation of x square px. Okay, so how to calculate the table is given here. We have to find out the variance. So we will first calculate ex, that is the multiplication of x and the probability of x. So 0 multiplied by 0.18, so that will come here. 1 multiplied by 0.28, 2 multiplied by 0.25, 3 multiplied by 0.18, 4 multiplied by 0.06, 5 multiplied by 0.04, 6 multiplied by 0.01. So that value comes here. We have to take the summation of these values. So x p of x, so that value comes out to be 1.82. Okay, this value comes out to be 1.82. Similarly, now we have to take the square of x. So 0 square multiplied by 0.18, that value come here. 1 square multiplied by 0.28, 2 square multiplied by 0.25, 3 square multiplied by 0.18, 4 square multiplied by 0.06, 5 square multiplied by 0.04, 6 square multiplied by 0.01. Then we have to find out the summation of x square p of x. That value comes out to be 5.22. Okay, so after calculation of this, now we know we will put that this value here. So we know that x square px, so that value is 5.22. So 5.22 minus ex value is 1.82 and its square. So that is our the expectation and of the square of that one. This value already we have calculated as the summation. Then if you calculate this value, so this value comes out to be 1.9076. Okay, so the formula for the calculation of the variance is e x square, that is equal to summation x square px and minus variance square. Okay, so minus expectation square, so that is summation x px. Okay, so these are the two formula that you have to remember for expectation and the variance. Okay, the next point is the theorem of the total probability. Here we have the number of the events, and to calculate the probability of that particular event, we take the formula that we have discussed in the I think Bayes theorem. So p e1 a e1, p e2 a e2 up to p e1. So that is the formula for the calculation of the theorem of the total probability. We will understand the theorem of total probability by taking one example. So Shreyan has 3 bags with 100 marbles. So the bag one contains 75 red and 25 blue. So that is the first one bag. The second bag contains 60 red and 40 blue, and bag 3 contains 45 red ball and 55 blue ball. Now what is the second bag? So this is there. A marble is randomly chosen from one of the bags. What is the probability that it is a red marble? Okay. Now let us take the probability of the probability of calculating the value that it is a red red marble from bag 1. So we have the 3 bags. So this is 1 by 3. For second bag it is 1 by 3, and for third bag it is also 1 by 3, because the all the red bags contain the red marble. So the probability of picking the bag is 1 by 3. Okay. Then now, what is the probability that it is a red marble? So picking the bag, the probability is 1 by 3 to find out the red marble. Then to find out the probability that it is a red marble, so E is the probability that it is a red marble. So PA E1 means it is 75 red marbles are there. So 75 divided by 100. In second bag we have 60 red marbles, so 60 divided by 100, and in third bag, the probability of picking the red marble is 45 divided by 100. So total marbles are 100 in all the 3 bags. So these are the probability. Now, so after this, we will find out what is the probability that it is a red marble. So in out of three bags. So probability that A is the probability that the selected marble is a red marble. So that we will calculate. So P E1 multiplied by this PAE1, then PE2 multiplied by PAE2, and PE3 multiplied by PA3. 3. So this is not 2, this is 3. That is the third event. So from this we can calculate. We have to just multiply this 1 by 3 multiplied by 75 multiplied by 100, 1 by 3 multiplied by 60 by 100, 1 by 3 multiplied by 45 by 100, and you have to calculate the value of PA. So this is the probability of picking the red marble from all the 3 bags. So that can be calculated using the theorem of total probability. Okay. So up to this, so we will stop here for the today's lecture. Thank you very much.